Aditya Arora, who's joining us to talk technicals. And Aditya, before I go to technicals, is it OMG2 for you or Gadar?
Good noon, Ajay ji. I would first of all agree that you're looking dapper in Indian
Thank
attire.
you, thank you.
So my choice would be Gadar too.
Yeah,
These
so,
such good movie. Although
okay,
I haven't watched, but I have plans to watch it very
very
soon.
good. Of course, tomorrow all of us will have extra time to spend with family and enjoying ourselves apart from celebrating Independence Day. So, probably tomorrow. But what about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and what stocks are you trading? As Anisha and I were just discussing, there was a sharp recovery since morning lows.
Yeah, so on index, we are soon approaching very important support levels. That is, the zone of 19,000 to 19,300 is an important support for the market. This correction actually is because FIs and institutions were heavy sellers since last 10 days or so. Hence, we saw this fall, and we have important FOMC minutes releasing on Wednesday night. So that is the reason for volatility in the market. But 19,000 to 19,300 is an important zone where I would be a buyer. And the stocks which I'm looking at right now is a little bit in the defensive space, and some stocks are consumer facing stocks. So the first pick would be Oro Pharma, which could be bought at 884. 830 should be the stop loss, and 950 to 1,000 should be the target. Second stock, Blue Dart, which is actually recovering from important support levels. It had fallen quite a bit recently. Now, this could be bought at 6361. 6070 should be the stop loss, and 6,800 to 7,200 should be the target. Third one, from banking and NBFC, CSB Bank, which could be bought at 302. 285 should be the stop loss, and 330 to 360 should be the target. Apart from this, I also like metal space, which seems likely at a important support level. So I see good traction in that space as well.
So a lot of counters that you like, and using the opportunity that we are seeing today in the markets to buy some of those names. But would you use that opportunity for Adani group of stocks as well? Any favorites there? And the other one I want to discuss with you is PVR. Apart from the fact that you're watching Gadar tomorrow, would you buy the stock as well?
Yeah, PVR actually looks good at the current market price. After a long time, there's traction in the stock. So until the stock is above 1,700 mark, it looks bullish, and stop loss should be placed at 1,670, and target should be 1,800, 1,850. And in Adani pack, I like Adani Enterprise. Although there was bad news in the weekend, but stock doesn't really seem so bothered about that bad news. So Adani Enterprise could be bought at 2,455, and stop loss should be 2,380, and target would be 2,550 to 2,800.
There's a piece of news which perhaps did not get adequate attention on Adani Enterprises, that the promoters of Adani Enterprises have bought 15 lakh shares last week from the open market at an average price of around 25.50 thereabout, over and above the news which is of course coming. So 15 lakh shares promoters are buying from open market. That's something to watch out for. There are some other mid-cap names which are doing very well in trade. I want to talk about DB Realty. There was a very sharp rally in most of the realty stocks in the last 1 month, or say over that as well, 2 to 3 month kind of a time frame. But DB Realty did not participate in the same proportion. Do you think now there's a breakout happening there?
Absolutely, Ajay ji. I have recommended this stock to my clients in the morning itself. So you must consult your financial advisor before taking any financial decision. So DB Reality looks good at 105.50. Stop loss should be 93, and target should be 120 to 140. It looks good.
On that note, we let you go. Appreciate you joining us on the show today.